Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the Chaty plugin for WordPress. This plugin adds a floating chat widget to your site, allowing visitors to contact you through various channels like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, WeChat, email, and more. If you're looking for an easy way to enhance customer engagement on your website, the Chaty plugin is a great solution. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we make a new video. Now, let's dive into the installation, configuration, and review of this fantastic tool. Before we get into the technical details, let's discuss why you might want to use the Chaty plugin. The Chaty plugin allows you to add multiple contact options on your website, making it easier for visitors to reach out to you through their preferred communication channel. This can greatly improve customer service and engagement. Whether your visitors prefer WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, email, WeChat, SMS, or even a phone call, the Chaty widget covers all the bases. Now, let's see how to install and configure the plugin. To get started, we need to install the Chaty plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type Chaty. Look for the Chaty plugin developed by Premio, then click Install Now and Activate. With the plugin installed and activated, we're ready to configure it to suit our needs. From the WordPress dashboard, go to Chaty in the left admin menu, then click the Dashboard menu option. In the dashboard, you will see the default chat widget installed. This widget is the default widget for the free version of the Chaty plugin. Upgrade to the Pro version of the plugin to add additional chat widgets. Click the Edit Widget button to edit the default chat widget. Start by adding the contact channels you want to include in your widget. Click on the icon to add a channel, and select from options like Telegram, Line Messenger, WeChat, email, SMS, call button, and more. For each channel, you'll need to provide specific information. For example, for Telegram, enter your Telegram username. For email, enter your email address. Configure each channel according to your preferences. Next, you can customize the appearance of the widget by clicking the Next button located in the top right corner of the Chaty widget dashboard page. On this page, you can change the icon style, position, color, and size to match your website's branding. Next, we'll configure where and when we want the chat widget to be displayed. Click the Next button in the top right corner of the dashboard. On this page, you can configure the triggers as to when the chat widget will be displayed. Using the Pro version, you can configure additional display rules. Once you've configured all the settings, click Save Widget. Your floating chat widget is now live on your website. Let's see the Chaty widget in action. Visit your website, and you'll notice the floating chat icon. Visitors can click on it to see the available contact options. Clicking on each contact icon will open the respective app or service. The Chaty plugin makes it incredibly easy for your visitors to get in touch with you, no matter which platform they prefer. Now that we've seen how to install and use the Chaty plugin, let's review its features and performance. The Chaty plugin offers a wide range of contact options, making it versatile and user-friendly. It's easy to set up and configure, even for beginners. One of the standout features is the customization options. You can tailor the appearance and behavior of the widget to fit seamlessly with your website's design. Overall, the Chaty plugin is a powerful tool for enhancing customer engagement on your website. It's reliable, flexible, and offers excellent value, especially for businesses that rely on multiple communication channels. In conclusion, the Chaty plugin is a must-have for any WordPress site looking to improve customer interaction. With its easy setup, extensive customization options, and multi-channel support, it's a fantastic addition to your site's toolkit. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Leave any questions or comments in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos for more WordPress tips and tricks, as well as reviews of the latest WordPress themes and plugins.